What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, your boy here, HRT. All right. Appreciate you all for joining. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday the market was closed, so it's gonna be interesting to see how things play out today. But regardless, if you go in the market with only one thing in mind, that's our setup. All right. We don't care what the market does and stuff like that. We look at the market in the lens of our setup. That's it. That's it. That's what makes us money, right? So with that said, guys, let's do it. Let's go. Let's get in the market and see what's up, right? Let's shop around and wait patiently for our setup, right? And what's our setup, you ask? Check this out. Break on the VWAP and a retest VWAP, and we enter. It's that simple. Do you just hear that? Yeah. It's that simple. That's our setup. All right. Before, you know what our setup was? A break, a close, and a retest. It was a good setup. It was good. But I think after, being very consistent with that setup, it revealed me a lot of things that it revealed a lot of things. And so we needed to make that update. And so with that said, let me show you an example. Take a look at this. This is the setup. Here's a break on the downside. The orange is the VWAP. Here's a break on the downside, and you have an immediate retest to that VWAP. And you would enter puts here and you'll make bank. That's what that is. Take a look at snow. We have a break and a downside. We even got a break here. We got a break here and you have an immediate retest to the VWAP. You enter puts here, right? Looks like we're just getting breaks on the downside on most of the stocks we're looking at today. Let's take a look at AMD. That's our setup. Our setup revolves around VWAP. That's it, right? You got a break and you had this VWAP retest right here. You would enter puts. Bank, right? All of them, every one of them. Today, of course, I always usually starts after 30 minutes. When the market opens after 30 minutes, that's when I usually start. With that all said, let's sit back, let's relax, and see if we can get our opportunity today in this. See if we can get our opportunity today with the market open. Let's take a look at Tesla here. All right, so Tesla's doing a retest to VWAP. Is that our strategy? No. Right? This was our strategy right here. Here's a break, and here's that immediate retest. Bank. Or even this one too, it's fine. Bank. Right? Right now, coming again, it's probably going to go back down, sure. But is it our strategy? No, so we have to ignore that. That's it. That's it. That's it. That is it. All right, take a look at this here. Right now, Tesla made a near attempt to go to the VWAP, and you can already see that there's already wicks there. So that means sellers are here. Imagine when the price gets to the VWAP, right? So you can see a lot of more sellers are ready to dump here. So, but of course, this is not our strategy. I'm just pointing that out. I'm not going to be taking that trade. So you have to be very disciplined in yourself to say, you know what, I'm only going to take my trades. Even if you feel like, you may have to end the day and not seeing your trade. So you have to do that, and that's okay. All right. All right, here we go. This is probably that put right here that I was talking about. Our sellers might push it down. But who knows? Who knows? It's not our setup, so I'm just waiting for it to break. If it breaks on the upside, that'll be so dope, and I'll get it on the long side. That will be then considered my setup. I'm willing to risk that. I'm willing to risk that, despite knowing there's a push down. I'm willing to do it just because of the very fact that it's my setup. That's it. Odds a bit higher if you just take a put right now, sure. Is there more things in your favor? Yeah. Below the pre-market low. I mean, we blow the VWAP. We blow the 20E. So yeah, the odds are a bit, in your favor. And but I just gotta do that to myself. I just gotta say, nah, I'm good. Did you guys just hear what I just said right now? I'm willing to take a trade that's probably less likely to get us succeed. That has less of a lot of things in my favor than to take a trade that's a lot of things in its favor, but it's not my setup. Like this, I knew this was gonna happen because I understand this is part of my strategy, right? But because it didn't happen in the first two, I won't take any more on the third and etc. Congratulations to those who took a put here. Congratulations. All right. Yeah. The ability to do this, guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be so beneficial in the long term. In the long term, it is because stick to the one setup, it's more valuable than like, oh my gosh, it's not my setup, but this looks good because of this here and here. It's like, come on, bro. Don't do that. Because market don't know emotions and shit like that. Market is just simply probability. It does things. That's it. If it's your setup, you take it. If it's not, you don't take it. That's it. All right, that's it. That's it. That's it. And all right, but I hope you guys found this very valuable. Today we didn't have no trade, but I hope that you guys understand that even with no trade, that means it was still a successful trading day today. Trust me, that's it. That's all you gotta say, and that's fine. That's perfect. We had a good trading day today, and our trading day was no trade today. That's okay. We're gonna come another day. We're gonna trade another day. That's it. We move forward. All right. So with that all said, I hope that you guys have found this valuable. Go ahead and please put a comment, your thoughts on this setup. And go ahead and press the like on the go ahead and press that like button. It definitely helps the channel out, and I appreciate you for doing that. For real, for real. With that all said, HRT out.